So what we're looking at, we've got the angled tube, and I'm looking at my outside deflection. So I check it, my check hand comes over the top, and we had our quick strip. So I'm pulling on the thumb, I'm pushing with my forearm to strip the stick away. One way to make this a little bit better, to make this a little bit more, to break the grip down, as I get in and I check it, I'm going to just twist on the balls of the feet so that I'm pulling on this arm as I push forward just slightly here. So instead of just attacking the grip, I'm also breaking down his wrist structure so that I take what was a straight arm and bend it. And it doesn't require a lot of movement on my part. It's just this quick little turn in the balls of the feet. But I still get a lot of good torque, almost like if I was throwing a punch, right? Just super short, nice, tight spiral. So one more time, I step out and I check it, I place, now I'm pulling and pushing at the same time with that little twist. So from here, just to give you some fun options, we'll look at one fun throw. I'm going to insert the stick underneath his armpit. I usually think about this like a hip to the ribs. And then I'm going to punch up. This is the most awkward part of it, is I'm like, I feel like I'm a dandy thrusting somehow, where I'm like, oh. So I get in, I check it, I disarm. Often that'll be my cut down. I can thrust, or I can backhand hit, and I roll this up.
Oh, I see.
I'm going to step forward as I push with the stick, using the point and low on his hips to take his shoulder back and down.
Okay.
So one more time, check. I push-pull. That could be my cut down through the arm. I insert. I need to step forward. If I just do this here, I'm too far out. As I step, I keep this going to drive his shoulder towards the floor. Be really careful with this, because the problem that everybody has is you go a little too vertical, you get to here, and you slip, and it hits them right in the face. So you've got to keep this across the back. If this goes too vertical, it will slip past their face and maybe into their face. I don't need you to throw with this. If you don't have a lot of falling practice, don't throw with this. Just insert and give a little push. And you feel that off balance. If you feel the, oh, I'm tipping back, that's all you need. You keep doing that and they fall. That's how the throw works. If you can do the off balance, most times you can do the throw as well. So a couple more times just for the camera. 1, 2, cut, I insert, step, and push. 1, 2, I insert, there's that twist for the disarm. As I hit, insert, step forward, and again, there's my drive. And once he falls, I can keep hitting on the ground and move the next guy or whatever. Make sense?
Okay.
Try the off balance. Don't worry about the throw, just the off balance is fine.